If you plan to post out your contents designed by VistaCreate directly by using VistaCreate, then what you can do is you can utilize something called the post planner. So for example, you can see that I have this example file right here. So let's say if I want to go around and post this into Pinterest, then what you can do is you can go around and click on export. And then what happens is that you get the export option right here. And what you can do is you can go around and choose Pinterest boards as well. So you can also go around and link your account to different areas right here. For example, into LinkedIn or in Facebook or so forth, as you can see right here. For example, I'm going to choose Pinterest in my case. And over here, you can see Connect Pinterest is an option. So I'm just going to go around and connect my Pinterest account. So you do need to be logged into your Pinterest or any other account that you plan to use. And then what you need to do is click on Give Access if you agree to these conditions right here. So once you do that, what happens is that VistaCreate now will be able to post on Pinterest, and you can see that I can go around, add in a title right here like example, and I'm just going to go around and say example right here just like this. And you can also choose like when you want this post to actually be visible in Pinterest. So you can just go around and select it, as you can see, or select now right here. You can go around, select out a board as well, and if the settings are okay, you get this schedule option, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and click on schedule, then what happens is that it'll add up the finishing touches, means it'll export out the file right here, and then we'll schedule that post in Pinterest. So you can have more than one schedule as well. So you can see that it is there, and now it says the post is being scheduled to go live on Friday, April 28th right here. So let me just go around and click on back to editor right here, and nothing seems out of the ordinary right now. But if I were to go around over here onto the home and onto my projects, then you can see that there's an option called Post Planner. So if I were to click on it over here, you can see your post that is planned. You can also view whatever you have posted by going into the published section right here. So whatever you have published by using VistaCreate directly, you'll see it over here. And if anything fails to get published out, then you'll see it over here as well. And you can see whatever is related with today in the today section, and in schedule, you'll see the schedule. So now you can go around over here, click on it and duplicate out the post, edit the design, or you can go around and edit out the post as well and choose, let's say, a different date and then update it according to how you like as well. But if you want to cancel this schedule altogether, then you can simply go around, click on the three dot button and delete out the post as well. And you can say yes, delete, just like that. And that is how you can go around and then utilize the post planner to control like what you publish directly from VistaCreate into different social media platforms of your choice. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.